What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Currently at Ryan's house. This is his new plane wall. We are going to a flying field. So we are at the field, but it looks like today is not the day we thought it was because there's nobody here. But check out this runway. Ryan is thinking about joining this club. I don't think it's a bad idea for me to potentially join something like this too. Both of us are just sick of flying at parks.
Problem is, this is a gateway to bigger, more expensive aircraft.
But yeah, I don't know where this video is gonna go now.
Dog, did I screw up?
Yeah, I think you did. I think you did. But that's all right. We'll figure out something to do. All right, we've contacted the correct people. The meeting was canceled.
Womp, womp, womp.
Womp, womp, womp.
You know what?
What do we do?
Do you want to visit the other field?
All right, let's go. Hopefully there's people at this one. Cringe. We have arrived at the second spot. This one's called the Valkyries of Manatee, RC Model Flying Club. Nobody's here. So I guess picking the weekend before Memorial Day wasn't exactly the best idea. It is what it is. I don't know where this video is gonna go now for sure. I think we're gonna go to a new hobby shop. So if you're interested in coming along to a hobby shop, keep watching this video. If not, close it and I'll see you next time. All right, we are at some hobby shop. Model kits, rockets, tons of model kits here. Skyline, GTR. I actually have a Skyline in my house. I still gotta build it. Pretty classic for model kits. You just buy them and never build them. I'm at Joe's Hobby Shop in Bradenton, Florida. It's pretty small, but he's got a lot of cool stuff in here. So if you're in the area, check him out. We're now in the middle of the town. Florida's great. You should definitely not move here. Look at them palm trees.
Yeah, if you're from New York, stay.
Yeah, stay where you are. Don't come down here. It sucks.
You guys would hate it, man. The weather sucks.
It's terrible weather.
There's nothing to do.
It's freaking cold all time. The Shake Pit, coffee and burger. I'm probably getting a coffee and a burger. Okay, that'll do. We're currently sitting at the pool. Today didn't go as planned, but tomorrow we're going to the field because Ryan got a text from the flying people saying, show up tomorrow, we're going flying. All right, guys, so it's early AM. We hit the field. Bunch of cool guys here. Everybody's flying. This is like an hour away from my house, though, so joining this, I'm not so sure about, but I mean, look. I need this. Do I not need this? We are back at the Valkyries RC Club here in Bradenton, Florida. The field is dedicated to Raymond B. Thompson for his effort in reopening the Valkyries RC Club. Ryan is his first maiden of the day.
Subscribed.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. Nah.
Okay, guys, this is Steve. This is his ultimate biplane. What size is it?
It's a 120.
It's huge.
This is a 60-inch wingspan.
That's so sick.
Probably weighs about 10 pounds.
It's got the triple blade on it.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It's 6L battery.
Dude, it's sweet. He said he couldn't sleep last night because he was ready to fly it. All right, let's get it up in the air. Six-S flight of the ultimate biplane. So sick.
Got it.
That'll work. Nice. He's got the pits, guys. It's my favorite plane that I own. We got 4 planes. That's so cool. Bunch of cool guys here. Wish I didn't live so far away, but I don't think this is gonna be my last time here at all.
Oh my goodness.
Well, at least you weren't up in there when it happened.
No shit.
Been there. I think we've all been there.
This radio out because my other radio died.
Mm.
All right, we're gonna go against the wind here. Scale left, right to left.
There you go. It's just mayhem here. I don't even know what to film.
Look at that, Mike.
I don't even know what to film. We got an Apprentice with an FPV camera on it. That is the first plane I ever learned to fly on. Actually, no, it was a Hobby's own Super Cub. Then it was the Apprentice. And that is a good plane. Huge wingspan. Beginner friendly. It's the only beginner trainer plane I didn't do a review on.
Oh, oh, she almost bit. Watch this, ready? Oh.
You're so risky, dude.
Yeah.
There you go. Nice.
Come on, bro. That's just clean.
Pretty clean. You know what's funny about these is there's always people with the trainer planes because they're just such good flyers. The Apprentice is such a great plane. Look at that. Look at that. Oof. The memories. I'll show you the memories of mine with the reversed elevator, guys. Some of you have already seen this clip. Yeah, that was a big mistake. But that's what you learn from.
I'm gonna come in doing a low circle, right to left.
Ouch.
What's that?
Probably the last flight of this video. It is Memorial Day right now. But Ryan's got his red, white, and blue themed plane, so he's going back up in the air. What a cool plane, Ryan.
I love it, man.
Yeah, this is your best purchase, I think.
I haven't seen him cop out. He's some A's out. That's what we call him. His name is Officer Bender, and we call him Officer Bindo. Come on, man. Just be careful.
Watch this, ready? Power out. You want a nice high-speed, low pass?
Yep.
All right.
That'll do. Plane intact. Alright guys, that about does it for this video. It was a great time with my friend Ryan. We went to a couple different places and ended it off in the morning at the flying field. Met a bunch of cool guys. I'm sure you're going to see them at some point in other videos. I'm going to finish off this video with a cool shot of the Skyway Bridge here in Tampa Bay. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Straight out there, you can see Tampa. And right over here, you got the beautiful Skyway Bridge.